today at room 901 to talk to the designers of the restaurant setting. And we have Amanda and John and Aaron. So guys, tell us a little bit about the design.
Amanda was in charge of the primary design. We're the builders and engineers of her vision primarily.
Well, the design started off with this amazing book wall here. Because this is a conversation room, the owners were trying to create a space where people could come in and have a conversation. So noise was an issue with all the hard surfaces. We wanted to come up with something, a beautiful application that could look nice and also absorb the sound so they could create the ambiance that they wanted.
So these pieces are all hand built, right?
Everything in here, pretty much, yes, hand built. The card catalog, which goes along with the book idea. Yes, that's all handmade. John, you can talk a little bit about that.
Over 725 walnut drawers, faces,
Cherry drawers.
with cherry drawers.
Cherry drawers.
Yes, cherry and walnut.
With the real Dewey Decimal.
With the real Dewey Decimal System labels and pulls. And there's about 90 of the drawers that pull out with LED lighting.
So they actually do pull out?
No, they do not pull out.
Okay. But the ones that are pulled out are stationary.
They're stationary to hold liquor bottles and illuminate.
And then the whole bar itself for
Yeah, it's
the liquor.
accompanied with also a walnut wine rack that can hold up to about 160 bottles.
And then the wall over here, the books. Does this absorb sound?
This absolutely absorbs sound. I think Aaron can talk to you a little bit more about the.
Well, this was basically just an attempt to soften this whole surface. It was just flat before, so the depths, especially with the wainscoting down here on the side, this pretty much acts as a sort of diffuser for anything under, face level, and then everything up here is essentially an absorber. So I mean, all of these different depths and surfaces and textures help to break up the sound and the reverberation of the room.
How many books?
This is about 2,500, give or take. It's about 2,000 on the bottom and around 500 on the top.
And where did you get the books?
Most of them were donated. We did have some that the owners collected through friends and family, but most of them were donated. And we found out through this process that recycled books are turned into paper towels, which I thought was an interesting factor.
Because I know when we posted the teas to this, where is it? Somebody said on the post, well, why aren't they donating those books to somebody? But I think sometimes there's not that many places that will take donated books. So
That is correct.
So this is awesome. Thank you guys so much. This is fantastic. I'm sure everybody's going to love to hear about it.